Okay, so this really nice man gave me some pretty valuable information, which made me change my plan. So before I go anywhere else, I just want to show you a little bit more about the place that I'm staying here, because it's actually really cool. So I don't want to leave without showing you this. First I'm gonna go to like the main house where I have like dinner and stuff. It's all home cooked food. It's really nice. But this house, never seen anything like it, so I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the outside of the house. Let me show you in. Such a cool place, right? And everything here is built with natural material. So this is all, I think, a mixture of clay, and the floor is made of cow dung actually. It's a really cool floor. Look at it. It's like super smooth, and just everything they use here is with natural building materials. And I actually give a course here twice per year about how to build a house with just natural materials, and they're doing the course right now, so I'm actually going to have a look and see what they're doing. I think they're learning about clay at the moment, so let's go there on the other side. They're over there.
That's what they do here at the building course. We're mixing some mud.
You're mixing mud?
Yeah, you don't usually use sprays because they're not good for the top. That's what my teacher carried on.
Okay. Is this for the walls or for the floor?
So we're mixing the mixture here, and then we're applying it to the walls here.
So now you're building this wall, or
So
what is this? What will this area be?
So this is a kitchen. This whole unit is actually called a rocket mass heater, and we're building it with mixed materials, mainly cob, which is a mixture of sand and straw and clay. As you can see, we're busy shaping this. The idea with this is you put the fire in here, and it gets drawn. It goes up a combustion chamber, cascades down the side, and then there's a flue that's built in, and that basically runs through the cob, and this is going to go up and out. You could cook on this surface as well, or you could keep a kettle boiling, I guess. As you can see, it's still busy daubing, so that's partially daubed there. This technique is a local spin on what you call light straw clay. So the Xhosa people, they build mainly with the tradition of wattle and daub.
Yeah.
But they usually fill the walls. You can see over there, there's some clay rock, which is abundant here.
So it's 3 layers. First the mix of straw with clay, then you put the branches, and then you finish it off.
Put the branches first. So
First the branches.
Yeah, you nail the branches on either side of your uprights, your posts.
Yeah.
And then you fill that with the infill.
Okay.
So
right.
whether it's clay rock or
Yeah.
the straw, the light straw clay, and everything non-toxic, 100% natural of the earth. That's why we can work with our hands. We don't have to worry about
Gloves
about,
or
very good for the skin.
It's fantastic.
Lots of fun. Great fun to do with people. Yeah, so many.
Okay, so let me show you what the plan is for today. I am now in Hogsback in Terakaya, somewhere around this part of South Africa. And today I'm riding all the way to this area, which is called Baviaans Kloof. So I'm now at Port Elizabeth, which is about halfway, past halfway, 212 kilometers to go. It finally started to become a little bit warm and blue sky, which was nice because I was absolutely freezing most of the way until here. And I also realized that I forgot to plug in my microphone this morning, so all the interesting stuff that I was saying got lost. Unfortunately, this happens sometimes. Dealing with audio and a GoPro is just a never-ending struggle. Everlasting struggle. And sometimes I get it right and sometimes it just doesn't work, and then I can't ride back to do another take. So anyway, I'm now riding back to on the N2, so it's a big highway, to cover some distance, and then at some point I will start riding into Baviaanskloof, and that will be unpaved. Am I supposed to? Yes. ...212 kilometers. Anyway, it is now noon. It's about half day. I need to find some lunch at some point as well. I'm pretty hungry. I just spotted a farm stall. Open, it says. See if I can eat something here. That'd be nice. Pies, coffee. Alright, I am trying some South African. It's called a roaster koek. Just that one. So basically it's just bread that they then grill on the braai, which is the barbecue, with some cheese and some green figs, they call it. So let's try that out. That tastes a lot better than it looks. Wow. This is really, really nice. Alright, check out these Cook Sisters. I'm going to try these out tonight, and I will let you know how they were, where I'm going to stick them. Alright, thank you, take care, bye! Okay, so this really nice man gave me some pretty valuable information, which made me change my plan. Because basically, so this Baviaanskloof is really long, and some parts are pretty okay, I think, the road-wise. But in the kind of in the center is the actual national park, and there's a gate on either side. And the road there is in really bad state, and it also goes over some passes. And the way he described it, it actually sounded a little bit like Sani Pass, the condition of that road. And it's already now almost 1:45, and where I was planning to ride was past that, so that's still 150 kilometers. And that would still, that would take me 4 hours at least, which is just really tricky because there's absolutely nothing there. There'll be nobody there, and it's just too late on the day to attempt it. So I'm going to change my plan. I'm now going to stay somewhere else. So I just called another place, which is before the first gate. So it's before the national park, and that's only 65 kilometers from here, and mostly paved. So I will easily make that today, and then tomorrow I will ride through the real Baviaanskloof, because then I can actually take my time. There's no pressure, because that road is pretty difficult, and I'm also fresh because now actually I'm a little bit tired, and attempting a very difficult mountain passes when I'm actually already tired, that's just not the best idea. So New plan. New plan. You probably cannot see it because the GoPro will make it look very far away, but you can already see this area is absolutely stunning. And that Baviaanskloof is really supposed to be super beautiful. So I'm looking forward to it. But not today. Not yet. I'll get very close to Baviaanskloof, but it's not meant to be today. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Oh wow, what is that? It almost looks like a mining town or something. What is this place? What's it called? Henkie. That town there is called Henkie. Baviaanskloof. There was the sign. Henkie Sports Bar. I'm going to fill up on petrol. There's supposed to be one more place just further up into the kloof where I can get, well, which probably is my last chance to get petrol. So I'll do that there today. This town is called Patensie. And I think this is my last opportunity to get petrol before I head into Baviaanskloof. Just need to find the station. Ah, there it is. Let's get that sorted. Then I don't have to worry about that anymore. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Yes. Can I have 95 full, please? Full, thanks.
So I'm live now.
Yeah. Well. See you, huh? Take care. Bye. Wow. What a beautiful area. Oh, this is where the gravel road begins. Look at this. That's actually something that I really like about South Africa, that the vegetation just changes so drastically over such, well, relatively small distances. Like in 100 or 200 kilometers, it just all looks completely different, which is super cool. Wow, look at this. Stunning. Especially with the light hitting the rocks. It's gorgeous. So I guess I'm now properly entering the Baviaanskloof, or the Baboon Gorge. Onverwachts boerderij. Unexpected farm, that means. Alright. So at the farm stall where I just had the lunch, I called this place. It's actually the only place that I could find that I can stay tonight. Oh wow, look at this tree. Beautiful. These are apples. No, what are they? There you go. Welkom. Oof, I'm tired. I'm so glad that I stopped here today and did not attempt another 60 kilometers of hardcore off-roading. Because this was fine, this was easy, but if I have to believe the people that I spoke, it's going to be very, very tough road ahead. Anyway, let's see if I can check in. Hello? Hi.
Hello.
Are you Natasha?
Yes.
Yes. So, I made it to a place to stay. I'm now going to join my cook sisters to try another South African delicacy thingy. Let's try it out. I think it's just pure sugar. Really nice. So that was it for today. Didn't quite make it through the entire Baviaanskloof, but that will be for the next video. Things are going to be hectic again. It sounded like the road is in a similar condition as in Sani Pass. So yeah, it might be challenging, especially when I'm also bringing all my luggage with me. But we'll see how that goes. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.